To reshape clothing in Photoshop using the Liquify tool, first create a duplicate of your image layer so you can easily compare the before and after. Next, go to Filter, Liquify to open the Liquify workspace. On the left side, select the Freeze Mask tool, or simply press F, then carefully brush over the parts of the clothing that you don't want to change. Take your time while brushing to make sure the areas you want to protect are fully covered. If you make a mistake, select the Thaw Mask tool to erase the unwanted mask. Once you've protected the areas you want to keep, select the Forward Warp tool and slowly start reshaping the clothing by dragging the areas you want to adjust. Work carefully and make small adjustments to keep the clothing looking natural. When you're satisfied with the result, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, compare the edited layer with the original to see the before and after result.